Welcome to the fifth module of lesson friction. In this module, we will learn about the situations where we deliberately increase and decrease friction and also about rolling friction. Methods of increasing friction. Soles of our shoes are glued purposely to provide them a good grip on the road while walking. Tires of the vehicles are specially treated so as to have a good grip on the road and have less chances of slipping while moving and taking turns on the road. In the bicycles and other automobiles, brake pads are used for increasing friction. Although brake pads do not touch the wheel, but as the brake lever is pressed, the brake pads are still able to lock the motion of rim due to friction. Kabaddi players rub sand on their hand to increase friction and hence achieve better grip on their opponent. In some situations, however, friction is undesirable and so it is necessary to minimize it. You must have played the game of caroms. We sprinkle powder on the carom board to reduce the friction so that the striker and the carom coins move smoothly on the board. Sometimes it is difficult to open the door. In such a situation, we pour few drops of oil on the hinges of the door, which reduces friction and make the movement of the door smooth. Due to the repeated use, the friction between the moving parts of the machines increases, which reduces its efficiency. On applying grease, friction between the moving parts reduces and thus the efficiency increases. Machines are oiled from time to time to reduce friction and wear and tear of the machinery. The use of lubricants form a very thin layer between the two surfaces. This reduces the friction as the moving surface do not directly rub against each other. Some of the well-known lubricants are oil, grease and graphite. Friction can never be entirely eliminated. No surface is perfectly smooth. Some irregularities are always there. You must have seen attaches and other pieces of luggage fitted with rollers. Even a child can pull such pieces of luggage. Why is it so? Let us find out. Take a few pencils or pen which are cylindrical in shape. Place them parallel to each other on a table. Place a thick book over it. Now push the book. You observe the pencils rolling as the book moves. Do you feel it easier to move the book in this way than to slide it? Do you think that the resistance of the motion of the book has been reduced? Have you seen heavy machinery being moved by placing logs under it? When one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called the rolling friction. Rolling reduces friction. It is always easier to roll than to slide a body over another. That is the reason it is convenient to pull the luggage fitted with rollers. Can you now understand why wheel is said to be one of the greatest inventions of mankind? Since the rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction, sliding is replaced in most of the machines by rolling by the use of ball bearings. Common examples are the use of ball bearings between hub and axles of ceiling fans and bicycles. So you have learned about the situations where we deliberately increase and decrease friction, and also you have studied about the rolling friction, that is when one body rolls over the surface of another body, the resistance to its motion is called rolling friction.